What the fuck? Danny. Danny. What kind of goddamn dog is this and why you bring this damn dog home?
Y'all been wanting a pup?
Wink.
His eyes pretty. He's scared, man. He been crying the whole ride.
Babe, where you get this dog from?
I just told you it was a pup day at work.
What do you mean?
It's a dog.
It was a lot of pups. Y'all have been talking about one. I was like, okay, well, I can get this one until we can get the little one.
Was that the best looking one?
Yeah. Look at his eyes. He's the only one with blue
Them the
eyes.
only that's the only shit you see his eyes.
Damn, he ugly.
What kind of dog is that?
When you touch the dog.
What kind of dog look like?
I don't know.
You put the dog.
Danny, what is you doing? You gotta take him back home.
Damn. Damn, she said you gonna leave you to the shelter. Don't get attached now. Don't get attached.
Babe, what kind of dog is this?
It's a big dog.
It's a puppy.
It's a puppy right now.
What kind of dog is this? Oh, pit? This ain't no damn pit.
It's a pit.
I'm sorry, dog. You up there shaking and shit. Girl, he got them legs tucked.
Man, he been like that the whole time.
He smell like a dog.
I bet he do. Yeah, I was gonna wash him. I don't know. Well, I ain't got no shampoo or nothing, but I was gonna hopefully take him to the little dog thing and let them wash him.